I serve as the project manager for Kids Mental Health Pierce County. And Kids Mental Health Pierce County is a community collaborative in Pierce County that's aimed at streamlining and coordinating behavioral health services for school-age kids in crisis here in Pierce County. I have had the unique experience of being able to really pull together some of the supports I didn't know I needed during this pandemic to work on my own well-being, and really creating a team around me to help support my emotional well-being, and really work towards some of the goals I identified for myself. And so some of the things that have allowed me to do that is, the expansion of access to things that I might have not had time for before, in terms of being able to connect with a counselor or a nutritionist and really kind of building up that, collaborative, multidisciplinary team around myself during the pandemic. And so having those natural supports, having those professional supports has really allowed me to maintain and feel well during this time. Like, I live by myself, and so I have not had to deal with some of those additional stressors. And so it kind of goes back to the focus on me and not feel as isolated. And of course, you had to get creative in that, of what that would look like, spending so much time alone. And I got transitioned to working from home. And so everything was kind of all in one space. And so really just trying to get creative and stay connected to those that I could stay connected to. I was one of those workers that didn't get to stop. I work in an emergency department. So I was still going out and seeing patients and still helping support their behavioral health needs. And so I think part of that kind of allows you to have this built-in empathy for others, like knowing like, yes, this is terrible, this is not fun, but other people are really struggling in other ways that I'm not. And so finding the grace in that, finding things to be grateful for, and really making an effort to focus on what's going right in my life instead of focusing on what I can't access or the things that I can't do, but really trying to focus on those positive things that we can find. And even if it's the small things, those small moments that we have with people, and just being able to get out in the car and maybe go for a ride. And even something simple as putting on clothes today. I got to put on jeans. So that was exciting.